Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to another lecture on the ARD Simplified series that is going on for the Nabat grade examination. And the topic that we have picked up today, it is the important breeds of cattle. And for what reason have we picked up the topic? Because if you look at previous year question, quite a significant number of questions have been asked from this chapter. If you look at it, like almost every year question has been asked. Okay, क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछते हैं, they would ask you like they would either give you description or maybe they would ask you simply कि इनमें से कौन सी मिल्च cattle है. You might be getting confused like what is a milch cattle. Don't worry, we will understand that in this session, but yeah, you have to identify that particular breed, right? Similarly, if you look at the next question, description of a cow was given that elongated ears are there, striking appearance are there, like which type is that? And third one being which of the following indigenous cow has highest milk yield in lactation? And then you have been given the options, from that you have to identify. Okay. Now, what we are going to understand in this particular video, first we will understand like what is breeding of livestock and what are the different categories which we are going to understand. Then we will look at what are the different classification of breeds of cattle, like we would look at the examples and about their traits, characteristic that can be asked in the examination. And then in this session only we will also talk about breeds of buffalo also. ठीक है, वैसे तो cattle means your cows and then buffaloes are buffaloes, but then in this session we will cover that also, so that your this combination of this section it is completed. All right, so let's just get started. First of all, like what is breed? So simply breed can be defined as that these are such animals, okay, these are such sort of animals which have some similar appearance, like they look somewhat similar, they have similar behavior, or they have such characteristic which make them different from other species of the same other organism of the same species. For example, I will first give an example of dogs. Okay, a German Shepherd is also a dog, a Labrador is also a dog, but from visually also you can segregate them very differently, because even though they are of same species, they are different breeds. Similarly, a lot of cattle that exist, they all belong to same species, but dependence on their behavior, the way they look, their different characteristic, they have been classified into breeds. Okay, up from the agriculture point of view or the animal husbandry point of view, we will look at the classification of these breeds based on the utility, means how they are used. Okay, on that basis we have three category. One is the milch breed. Milch breed is simply means which are domesticated, or you can say which are reared for the milk purpose. They are reared for the milk purpose, means they prominently they provide milk. Usually in milch breed what happens, female they are exceptional producer of milk, while the male counterpart in milch breeds, they are of not use. So for example, if I am a farmer, I am a dairy farmer, I would be much interested in the females of milch breeds, because male are of no use there, means they are not sturdy enough that can be used in the field, right? Because usually females are used for milk purpose and males of the breeds they are used for the work purpose, physical work purpose. But in milch breeds the males are not that much strong. Okay, then there is another type of breed, that is broad purpose breeds. Okay, broad purpose breeds are the ones where male they are exceptionally strong, they can be utilized properly in the field, but females they are poor milk producer. So in milch breeds where females were economically beneficial for farmer while males were not, in broad breed it is opposite. Here males are very sturdy, they are physically very strong and can be used for physical purpose, while females they are not much good producer of milk. Third one being the dual purpose breeds. Now these are the breeds where male are also sturdy and females also produce like decent enough amount of milk, not as high as milch breeds, but yes decent enough. Okay, so here males and females both are used, that is why it is a dual purpose breeds, means here the cattle are used for field purpose also, and these breeds can also be can also be domesticated for milk purpose. Okay, so milk breeds में again the cows are they are high milk yielders, male animals are slow or poor work. ठीक है, साहिवाल गिर्स रेड सिंधी ये सब कुछ एग्जाम्पल है. डुअल पर्पस ड्रॉट पर्पस में ऑपोजिट है, मेल्स आर गुड एट वर्क बट जो काउ है बहुत पुअर यील्डर्स है, लेस देन 500 पर लैक्टेशन एवरेज के हिसाब से देती है, जैसे कंगायम, अमला चेरी, अमृत महल, हल्लीकार. देन डुअल पर्पस ब्रीड्स है, हेयर मेल लाइक फीमेल आर गुड एवरेज यील्डर्स. ठीक है, 1500 के आसपास दे देती हैं, एंड मेल दे आर ऑल्सो यूजफुल इन वर्क. ठीक है, तो ओंगोल, हरियाणा, कनकरेज, हर प्रकार, कृष्णा वैली, राठी. वी हैव वन दियोनी ऑल्सो, दियोनी भी है. and then we have Goala Mewati. These are some of the examples of the dual purpose breeds. Now let's understand them deeper, because we have understood from the previous year question that not only you should know the names, but you should also know the characteristics, right? So let's understand just the breed name, where they are native of, and what are some important key features. Because you need to understand, for every breed they are not going to ask you like what are the key features. If there is something different, if there is some different name that has been given, or very peculiar habit or behavior of them, that can be asked. So we will focus much on that. रही बात मिल्क यील्ड की, देखो वैसे तो these have been taken from the government sources, the values, ठीक है, but if you look for multiple sources online, you might find variation in the lactation. And if you look at previous year, ऐसे specific तो नहीं पूछा गया है, but on an average ही है. अब definitely if you will provide better input into the system, so these milk yield can be improved, that's a separate thing. But like from government website, these are on an average that we have gotten, but yes, these might fluctuate, but you can just keep in mind on an average. वैसे तो आज तक पूछा नहीं है, but for that sake only, ठीक है. साहिवाल की बात करें, first of all it is native to Montgomery, Pakistan, ठीक है. Now you, if you, some of you getting confused, okay, if it is from Pakistan, why it is here? So basically these are breeds that are being reared here in India since when we were undivided India, right? So since that time these breeds they exist, and they will continue to exist. So that is why, even though like natives of these are there, but they are prominently they are widely here present in India because of that factor, ठीक है. तो साहिवाल पाकिस्तान रीजन की है. हाईएस्ट, like if you look for the milk breeds category, Sahiwal has the highest is the highest milk producing cow. Now this is a very different fact, right? It's very specific fact for Sahiwal, so then it becomes important. If question can be asked, in fact in one of the previous year it was asked that which of the following is the highest milk producer breed, so that is Sahiwal, ठीक है. Highest producing milk है. And then we have due to its loose skin, it is also known as Lola और मुल्तानी. इसके जो गले में ये जो skin है, it is like very loose, and because of that reason it is also known as Lola. तो Sahiwal is also known as Lola और मुल्तानी. These are name of the same breed only, ठीक है. हाईएस्ट एंड स्वीटेस्ट मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग काउ, ठीक है. देन वी हैव सिंधी और रेड सिंधी बोलते हैं इसको. दिस इज ऑल्सो नेटिव टू कराची पाकिस्तान, ठीक है. इट इज रेड ब्राउन इन कलर, ठीक है. थर्ड वन बीइंग द गिर, काठियावाड़ गुजरात को बिलोंग करती है. अब इसका देखो एक पिक्यूलियर क्या हैबिट मींस फीचर है. ईयर्स आर लॉन्ग एंड पेंडुलेटेड. इफ यू लुक एट द ईयर्स, दे आर लाइक पेंडुलम शेप. जैसे पेंडुलम होता है ना, पेंडुलम इट्स लाइक इट गोज जस्ट मूव इन एज ए डायरेक्शन, दैट इज नोन एज पेंडुलम, ठीक है. तो इसका भी देखो कि पेंडुलर इसके शेप है, और फोरहेड लॉन्ग और बोनी सा है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज लाइक वेरी डिफरेंट फीचर ऑफ गिर. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज भादावरी, देसन, गुजराती, काठियारवाड़ी, सोरथी, सोरती, ये सब नाम है. वैसे मेजरली जो भादावरी एंड सोरती, दीज ब्रीड्स नेम आर दोज ऑफ बफेलो, राइट. बट इसलिए इसको गिर से ही याद करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट इज नोन एज गिर ओनली. बट यस, दीज आर लाइक सम यू कैन से लोकल नेम्स दैट हैव बीन गिवन टू इट, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू ड्रॉट ब्रीड. तो ड्रॉट ब्रीड में दीज आर सम मेजर वंस, ठीक है. मालवी, अमृत महल. मालवी बिलोंग्स टू द राजस्थान रीजन, ठीक है. अब देन वी हैव अमृत महल, ठीक है, मैसूर रीजन को बिलोंग करती है. नागौरी ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू लाइक राजस्थान रीजन. सुपीरियर अमंग ड्रॉट ब्रीड्स, ठीक है. तो नागौरी एक थोड़ी सुपीरियर ब्रीड है ड्रॉट ब्रीड में. कनगयम है, ठीक है, बेस्ट सूटेड फॉर प्लोइंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, ठीक है. एंड देन वी हैव हल्लीकार, ऑल्सो बिलोंगिंग टू साउथ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. If some of you getting confused, ma'am, you said it was 500, below 500, but it's like 665 or 540. So please, you need to understand that's like on an average we say, right? Definitely in some breeds it might vary, it might be a little bit slightly more than, but still if you look at it, it's very very less when compared to the milk breeds. Like it's not that in a profitable amount, ठीक है. तो ये आपके कुछ हैं, ठीक है. दैट इज अ कनगयम, ठीक है. अमृत महल, वी हैव हल्लीकार, ठीक है. खिलारी, वी हैव अमृत अमला चेरी. अमला चेरी का एक डिफरेंट एक फीचर है. इफ यू लुक एट द हूफ्स ऑफ ऑल द लाइक काउस, दे आर लाइक ग्रेइश और लाइक ब्लैकिश इन कलर, राइट, ऑन दैट नो टोन. बट अमला चेरी के क्या होते हैं, व्हाइट होते हैं. सो दीज आर व्हाइट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट गिव्स एन अपीयरेंस दैट दे हैव worn socks, okay. So like that's a very different feature. And Pullikulam is that particular like breed of cattle which is used in you must have heard of Jallikattu. There's a like event now, some uh, it has been now restricted to some part of South India. However, it's like very prominent event. So there Pullikulam is the breed that is actually used in that event, okay. Next is being the dual purpose breeds which are like good for both. So we have Haryana, Kankarez, Rati. Haryana is best dual breed. This is that can be asked in exam belonging to your Hisar Rohtak region. Haryana, it's known as the best dual breed. Around 500 lactation is there. Again, देखो, these can be improved based on if you provide प्रॉपर इनपुट, बट ऑन एन एवरेज दे प्रोवाइड लाइक दिस मच, ठीक है। तो कनकरेज की बात करें, कच्छ रीजन को बिलोंग करती है। इट इज वेरी फेमस फॉर इट्स सवाई चाल, मीन्स इट डज नॉट वॉक स्ट्रेट लाइक टू, इट्स बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस, इट्स हाइंड लेग्स, मतलब पीछे वाले जो पैर है, हाइंड लेग्स, दे आर क्वाइट, यू कैन से, of different length than the front legs, and because of that it takes like two, like from front legs it take like one step, and then from back it is not able to cope up with the equal length, ठीक है। तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द गेट, गेट बोलते हैं इसे, GAIT, गेट मतलब होता है चाल, चलना, ओके। द वे समवन वॉक्स इट्स नोन एज हिज और हर गेट, इन दिस केस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनिमल कनक्रेज, ठीक है। तो इट्स गेट जो है इट्स नोन एज सवाई चाल, वेरी पिक्यूलर हैबिट ऑफ इट्स, ठीक है। राथी अलवार रीजन राजस्थान को बिलोंग करती है, थरपरकार है, ऑल्सो नोन एज व्हाइट सिंधी, ग्रे सिंधी और थारी, ठीक है। थोड़ा उसका मिल्क प्रोडक्शन भी ठीक है, ठीक है। देन वी हैव ओनगोल, बिलोंग टू द गुंटूर रीजन ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, ठीक है, कर्नाटका, एंड देन वी हैव मेवाती, ऑल्सो बिलोंगिंग टू द राजस्थान रीजन, ठीक है। और दियोनी भी आपकी बहुत अच्छी, दियोनी की भी एक आपकी ब्रीड है डुअल की, इसको ध्यान रखना आप। हरियाणा, थरपरकार, कनकरेज, ठीक है। कनकरेज का एक और फीचर है, इफ यू लुक एट द लाइक हॉर्न्स, दे आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट, राइट। सो सच टाइप ऑफ हॉर्न इज नोन एज लायर, LYRE, ठीक है, लायर बोलते हैं। तो यू कैन कीप दैट इन माइंड, माइट बी आस्क्ड लाइक विच ऑफ द ब्रीड हैज लायर हॉर्न शेप्ड, है ना। तो हाफ मून भी बोल सकते हैं, लायर बोल सकते हैं, या हाफ मून बोल सकते हैं, राइट। सो दीज आर द फीचर्स लाइक यू कैन कीप इन माइंड। Coming to the next one, now some exotic breeds are there, means these all the breeds that were there, those are indigenous to us. Indigenous means they have been always native to our place, right. But what happened, like when you do a business, definitely you would want to have more profit. And what was observed, that even though indigenous cows, they are adaptable to the environment, but the milk production that they are having, it's quite lesser compared to the cattle that exist in the foreign countries, okay. So because of that reason, what happened, a lot of farmers then they imported these exotic breeds, and we are going to look at the prominent ones that are there in India. The first one being the Holstein Friesian, which looks something like this. You must have seen these cows now, right? If you look at it, milk yield इसके देखो कितनी है, 6000 से 7000 लीटर पर lactation. Even in the case of milch breeds that are indigenous to us, we have seen the maximum is like 2200, or maybe it can extend to like 2500 or 300. But if you look at it, it's like almost quite double of it. It's like 6000 to 7000, right. So that is why these breeds have been brought, ठीक है। ये कहाँ की है, ओरिजिनली इट इज फ्रॉम नेदरलैंड। नेक्स्ट वी हैव आयशायर 4600, कहाँ की, आपके स्कॉटलैंड की, याद रखना है, ये सारी चीजें पूछी जा सकती है। नेक्स्ट है ब्राउन स्विज है, 5000 से 5500, बिलोंग्स टू द स्विट्जरलैंड। एंड फाइनली बीइंग जर्सी, and prominently that are being here reared in India, or you can say raised in India. Jersey है foreign की 4500, island of Jersey को belong करती है। Why this is like most prominently it being used, because it's most adaptable, or you can say it is the most acclimatized बोल सकते हो, adaptable बोल सकते हो to the environment of India, ठीक है। अब because देखो Indian breeds में क्या अच्छी चीज थी, that those were they could not catch the disease early, right. And they were very like okay with the environment that they have, because they have always been native to this place, they have been evolved with climate change, right. So but they were having lesser yield, ठीक है। exotic में अब क्या है, exotic में they produce good yield, ठीक है, but they are not pretty much soon adaptable to Indian climate, or maybe they might get disease easily, है ना। तो इसमें जो जर्सी है, जर्सी is the most adaptive one, that is why it's most widely used. And in fact for breeding purpose also, jersey is one which is prominent। वैसे तो बहुत सारी golden friesian भी काफी यूज होती है, Holstein Friesian, but like jersey was the one which was prominently used, so that better such breeds can be formed where it has best of both worlds, like milk production of a jersey cow and the adaptability of an indigenous cow, ठीक है। तो now we are going to look at those breeds, ठीक है, improved breeds, these are being breeding की गई है। What is like breeding in livestock, I've already made a different session on that, you can watch the video in the ARD simplified series, but just to give you an overview so you can understand like what we are talking about. So here, like as I said, different breeds are taken, like jersey is taken, and then any native breed is taken, and when they are crossed together, the new breed would have some good qualities of jersey. And usually what happens in breeding, the scientist would want to have the desired traits only. So he would want the quality of the quantity of or quality of the milk of the foreign breed, as well as the adaptability to the environment of the indigenous breed. So that is known as breeding, ठीक है। और you can say या that would be known as breeding. तो most prominent one, वैसे तो देखो बहुत सारी है, but the most prominent one that we have, one is Karan Swiss, ठीक है, which looks like this, which is the cross of Sahiwal and Brown Swiss. अब how can it be asked in exam? Either they can ask you that Karan Swiss is a cross of dash and dash, so you should know Sahiwal and Brown Swiss. Or what they can ask that the cross of Sahiwal and Brown Swiss has produced which improved breed, so you should know it is Karan Swiss, ठीक है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है. And always keep in mind that it's very like specific कि पहले आप साहिवाली लिखो फिर ब्राउन स्विस लिखो, because see in this when you write the parents name, ठीक है, that are being used in hybridization, always a female is written first breed and the males are written afterwards. That is why it's important to use in this sequence, write in this sequence only, Sahiwal and Brown Swiss, Karan Swiss. Next we have Karan Fries, crossbreed of Tharparkar and Holstein Friesian, and finally we have Frieswald, crossbreed of Holstein Friesian and Sahiwal. ये कुछ आपके prominent examples हैं, ठीक है. So these were the breeds of cattle. I do understand that it can be overwhelming learning so many names or even hearing so many names at one time, right? Let's do a quick revision, right? But if you like read it once or twice, आपको आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Mills breeds 3 we have made, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi Gir. Repeat after me, Mills breed, Sahiwal, Sindhi, Red Sindhi Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi Gir, ठीक है. देन वी हैव ब्रॉड ब्रीड्स, ठीक है, इसमें मेजर, इसमें आप हल्लीकार, ठीक है, आपका मालवी, अमृत महल, नागौरी, कांगयम, हल्लीकार, दियोनी, ठीक है, मालवी, अमृत महल, नागौरी, कांगयम, हल्लीकर, दियोनी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देन वी हैव अमला चेरी, कुछ और खिल्लारी, आपको एक दो और नाम मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है. देन वी हैव डुअल पर्पस, हरियाणा बेस्ट डुअल पर्पस ब्रीड्स, हरियाणा बेस्ट डुअल पर्पस ब्रीड्स. देन वी हैव कनकरेज, राठी, थरपरकार, ओंगोल, मेवाती, या के कुछ नाम हैं. And then exotic breeds, Holstein Friesian from Netherlands, Ayrshire from Scotland, Brown Swiss from Switzerland, and then Jersey from island of Jersey, ठीक है. Some improved breeds, Karan Swiss, crossbreed of Sahiwal and Brown Swiss, Karan Swiss, crossbreed of Sahiwal and Brown Swiss, Karan Fries, crossbreed of Tharparkar and Holstein Friesian, Karan Fries, crossbreed of Tharparkar and Holstein Friesian, Frieswald. Then we have crossbreed of Holstein Friesian and Sahiwal, ठीक है. ये आपके कुछ improved breeds हैं. अब बफेलो के भी देख लेते हैं कुछ. ये आपकी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन है. फर्स्ट वन बीइंग मूरा, बिलोंगिंग टू योर दिल्ली एंड नियर बाय रीजन, ठीक है, पंजाब दिल्ली रीजन का. फीचर क्या है? बेस्ट इन मिल्क प्रोडक्शन. सो इफ क्वेश्चन आस्क दैट विच ऑफ द बफेलो, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट Sahiwal, it was the highest milk producer in the cattle category. But when we are talking about Mura, it is in the buffalo category. ठीक है, buffalo milk best milk in product best इन मिल्क प्रोडक्शन है. एवरेज फैट कितना है? 7% इसमें पाया जाता है. नेक्स्ट वे है भादावरी, विच हैज हाईएस्ट फैट परसेंटेज. प्लीज कीप इन माइंड एंड डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज. मूरा इज बेस्ट इन मिल्क प्रोडक्शन but Bhadavari has highest fat percentage, ठीक है. देखो in a milk not only fat is there, there are other minerals also, vitamins, minerals, and then some solids, like all in all solids are there, right? So those are also taken into consideration when the term best in milk production is being called, ठीक है. तो मूरा बेस्ट इन मिल्क प्रोडक्शन है, एवरेज फैट 7% है, बट हाईएस्ट फैट परसेंटेज इसमें भादावरी में 13% है. नीली रावी की आंखें वॉल्ड आइज होती है, मतलब व्हाइट होती है, पूरी व्हाइट टाइप की होती है. आई विल शो यू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, यू वुड हैव एन आइडिया. जाफराबादी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मिनी एलिफेंट, ठीक है. महसाना जो है डेवलप फ्रॉम मूरा एंड सूरती का क्रॉस है, बेसिकली एक हाइब्रिड ब्रीड, ये ब्रीड है, ठीक है, क्रॉस ब्रीड है ये. मूरा एंड सूरती की क्रॉस ब्रीड क्या है? महसाना. महसाना क्रॉस ब्रीड ऑफ मूरा एंड सूरती. देन वी हैव सूरती, वी हैव टोडा, ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट इट, या सो हियर वी हैव, ठीक है, वी हैव व्हाट, वी हैव भादावरी, कितना था इस पे? 13% फैट मैक्सिमम, राइट. देन वी हैव मूरा, वी हैव जाफराबादी नोन एज मिनी एलिफेंट, वी हैव महसाना विच इज अ क्रॉस ब्रीड ऑफ, क्या है आपकी? महसाना, मूरा एंड सूरती, राइट. महसाना इज द क्रॉस ब्रीड ऑफ मूरा एंड सूरती. एंड मूरा जो आपकी ये ब्रीड है फर्स्ट वाली, दैट इज योर बेस्ट इन milk production in buffalo. So that was it. Now try to attempt these question and let's see that would you have been able to answer these if you were sitting in the previous year cycles. So that is all in this video. For more such videos you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to get the PDF of this lecture you can subscribe to our you can join our Telegram channel. The link of it is given in the description box below. Thank you everybody for watching and all the very best for your exams.